Welcome to Wendy's. What would you like with your hot and crispy?